T2 Small Industry Drone. Aircraft folding. 15 seconds for quick takeoff. IP-43 Protection Class. All-weather steady flight, day and night. T2 has an excellent flight platform. Equipped with industry-leading 8-core processing chips, up to 26 tons of computing power, strong learning and calculation skills. Auto Autonomy Autonomous flight technology can collect the surrounding environment data in real time, with binocular vision and millimeter wave radar, 720 degrees no blind angle obstacle avoidance sensing system, accurate navigation in complex situations. Plan the global path to autonomously circumnavigate and return. T2 integrates wide-angle, zoom, thermal imaging, laser ranging in one. Intelligent linkage between multiple sensors, breaking visual limits. 8K 10x optical zoom. Camera, up to 160x hybrid zoom. Cars and boats can be clearly seen 2 kilometers away. Laser rangefinder one-click dot positioning. Get target location quickly. Support AI super sensitive function. ISO up to 64,000. Capture target detail in the night environment. Infrared cameras have a variety of temperature measurement modes. Dynamic capture heat source. It has the ability to resist GPS interference and trapping. Stable flight even in complex environments. The battery life is up to 42 minutes. The battery is hot replaceable and the operation rotates seamlessly. Smart and professional features with Auto Enterprise. Simple and efficient operation. T2 Small Industry Drone. Portable and powerful in one.